party, all the executives there, right? When everybody leave and the people cleaning up the place, they find a little boy, little underage primary school boy, right? Floating in the pool with cement in the ass, right? Because it's a real ballers in the PNM, you know. Real Macome man in the PNM, you know. All them lawyers and them is Macome man, you know. Like party boys now, you know that, right?
Countryman is here. I'm never talk about Trinidad. You understand? Because over the last year, I noticed some things have been going on in Trinidad. Actually, way before that. And, I did my research and I get my intel. You guys just hear what that person just said about the PNM. Apparently, some party had kept and them find a little boy. You hear where the person say. And there's some discrepancy, because I have to go into the facts. Now, somebody or two person get arrested for it, and the person them had pled not guilty, and they end up finding people them guilty. But from what has been going on and talking in Trinidad, you hear what the man say, the Macome man them, the Bulla man them, the B man them in the party, you understand? And this is one of their special going after, when you see what the man said. Now, with that said, I have a lot to talk about. I'm going to talk about the PNN, Dr. Rowley, the Prime Minister, and it's a shame what him do to the people them, especially the black people them in Trinidad. I just want to make this clear that you see the Indian people them not have no problem with the black people them. You understand? And the black people them not have no problem with the Indian people them. Let me tell you now where the problem is. The PNM. Yeah, that party there. Let's go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. Let me repeat it one more time. Viewers' discretion is advice when watching this video. Now look on the screen in front of you. This is very serious. Now me hear from my intel say the PNM them have a new operation, and me a go call it Operation Sinestro. You know who Sinestro is? He's a super villain, and him travel to different world and kill off all the Green Lantern them. Now, the crime plan what me hear say the PNN have is to kill off all of the black gang leader them. Cause the PNN them get supported by Prezi, Sunday and them Monday. And all of them Monday runway and gone at England. Now Prezi gone, Sunday gone. Me hear say them there England. I live with a youth with name. I can't remember him name, but I'm my brother and them link. You understand? And at England, Prezi on Sunday there. Now you have some other set of man too from different parts. in a Port of Spain. Some of them run with Ghana, Canada, America. Some of them run with, me here say them they all at Jamaica. Me here say them they all at Jamaica, believe it or not. Because the plan where the PNM have Operation Sinestro is to kill out all the gang boss them by any means. So you see man like Six Dan and certain other man we down there and now leave, watch what happen to them. Remember, countryman tell you no. Operation Sinestro. I saw the PNN a move. Now, me I go talk about some more things. Now, you see the youth in England where them a hide with him name Abedi. And you have all some of the man them. They are Miami. Now, you have a group, a soldier, right now in Trinidad that the PNM is training. The soldier them are trained in a place named Kumutu. And them are trained to come out and get rid of all of the gang boss them. You understand? And kill off people, kill off the man them. That is the PNN crime plan. And me hear from good intel. Now Trinidad have two political parties. You understand? One is red and one is yellow. When you look at the statistics and you look at the maths, the most people in jail is on the red side, which is PNM. No, the most people dying is PNM. So the PNM, they are killing out each other. They are the ones killing out each other. When you look at the Indian party and the Indian part of the city, they're not killing each other. And they can't blame the Indian them, cause the Indian them not kill them. The Indian them actually save them. Because this is what's going on right now in Trinidad. It's a shame. Look how rich Trinidad is. Them have the most asphalt on the face of the earth. Them have most oil. And Trinidad is in this state. It is a shame and disgrace. And the PNM of the people in them constituency kill off each other. All of the thing where you see them are going with down there in Trinidad. You see Christmas list, him, PNM, all of them are PNM, whether you are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and they are killing off each other. And this is by design. Now, tell me if this right. You have ministers out there, every month they might get this 1,000, that 1,000. And you have man out there working for HDC, driving their van for them, supposed to get 9,000 a month. And it's been 8-9 months since man don't get them pay from the government. All these things is slackness. You understand? And the money keep on disappearing. Let me tell you something. CARICOM will never work. You know why? Because you have a certain kind of classism in the Caribbean. Now all the man them will go university for turn lawyer and doctor and them thing there. And them end up turn politician for rip off the country and line them pocket. You see you have Trap Lord, they are Jamaica. And you understand? And now you have Chopper Lord, they are Trinidad. So everywhere you go, you see what these dirty politicians and governments are doing to the people them in the Caribbean. And we are 44 million strong. Remember that. Always remember that. the Minister of Finance in a Trinidad, like him is a Makoma man too. Because guess what? Him pick and choose who him buy things for, you know. But him want buy Hilux bus for this boy, Hilux bus for that boy. You understand? Hilux bus for this boy, that boy. And pick and choose who him figure contract and give them contract. So him have a set of boys that him give contract and buy them vehicle and them thing there. Real Makoma man, yo. Now look at that video right there, sir. People need to see the chaos with the PNM party and Rowley do. No, those are pilots, you know. So all the pilots them for the Trinidad own airline, you understand? They are on strike. Now, you have a school feeding program also. And in that school feeding program, check this out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Now, look at this. It said, where is the money? You understand? This is a journalist, Philip Edward Alexander. And this man here, me look into him journal all the time when he write. And this man hit on the right thing. Look at this. Where the money gone? Hundreds of millions allocated for school feeding program, and children get crickets and sardine. This is madness. This man is so upset about this. So what them do? The money what them get to feed the kids them and give them nutritional food to eat. They're giving the pitney them crackers and sardine in a Trinidad school, and Trinidad is such a damn rich country. Yo, them thing piss me off. Like me said, a long time me know Trinidad. Me one of the first vlog on Trinidad, and from where me see the PNM and them create the chaos and them create the gang them, and now them turn upon the gangs. All of the gang man them and the head and the bosses them are runway. Prezi gone, Sunday gone. You understand? So we just make you know what's going on in Trinidad, and people need to open up them eyes. Now, only ready for more chaos? This piece right here is courtesy of Mr. Ian Allen. Everybody know Ian Allen, you understand? Now, look at this. Students lock themselves in their classroom as gunshot erupts outside. You understand? At the Francis Girl High School, Belmont, on Friday 4th October 2024. Now, this is how the PNM have kids living in such a wealthy country like Trinidad. Rowley and him government have the people them a torture the people them instead of them fix the system. Yo, the people them can't wait for the Indian lady come back. Actually, the Indian lady, the murder rate in her time has never ever, and this is a proven fact, reached to the level that it is in Trinidad. 600, 700 murder for the year. Vicious 9 people murder, all them things that, no, it wasn't like that when that lady was running the country. I'ma just have to be fair and talk the facts. Now, there's more.
In the same news cycle, there's a story saying that the opposition leader objected to $890,000 was the allocation in 2024. In 2025, In the year that Keith Rowley tells Trinidadians and Tobagonians to hold strain, difficult days ahead, we are seeing that the entertainment budget for the Prime Minister's office went from less than $1 million to $50 million. But we have schools shutting down, rat infested, children going to school in heat, in moss, in mildew, in pigeon poop. And the Minister of Education will say she don't have enough money. We are being told to hold strain, difficult days ahead. But the Prime Minister's office could take their entertainment budget from $890,000, that is less than $1 million, to $50 million. And we ain't riot yet, so why not? Is loyal we loyal? Is afraid we afraid of Keith Rowley? I confused. It's something that we should have stood up against. But this is our taxpaying dollars being mismanaged. Vanity projects, lack of priority. Our children going to school in madness and rubbish. The healthcare system is a mess. They would tell us that, the national security, we can't do this, we can't fix crime, we can't this, we can't that, because we had to manage the money. But $890,000 in 2024 all of a sudden became $50 million in an election year. And we quite
No, that lady right there is literally upset. This lady is so upset. They can actually touch it through the video. And me are the voice of the poor people, me are the voice of the people them. And when we look at the statistics and what's going on in Trinidad, as one of the richest country in the world, it's a damn shame. And not only that, what the PNM crime plan, the Sinestro crime plan, is to kill off all of the young black men them, and also make them fight amongst themselves. Now, this is proven many times over. You see it in Jamaica, you see it in Mexico, you see it in Guatemala, where when they eliminate certain people, you understand, in a certain kind of way in these gangs, the gang become more chaos and break off and splinter up like bed bugs is a part of the clansman, a run off of the clansman, and it just goes on and on and on. So their crime plan is to execute the bosses, you understand, and create chaos. And when you look at all the people them killing each other and in jail, it's all black people, you understand. The Indian people them in Trinidad not killing off them one another, and they're not killing off the black people. So I don't want to hear a blame Indian people, on a blame on a prime minister or him of the Sinestro plan. The plan, wanna know who Sinestro is? Him is the super villain in a Green Lantern. And what him do? Him travel to the different worlds and kill off all the bosses, the Green Lantern then. And that is what the PNM party in Trinidad is doing. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.